Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys all about my June favorites. So pretty much all of my favorites that I have been just products that I've been loving for the past couple of months. So it's not really a June favorites, but I mean in favorites fashion, I guess I just decided to throw a month in there. But yeah, so these are just my favorites that I have been loving as of late. Let's start off with complexion products. So as far as complexion products goes, let's start off with this guy right here. So this is the Uoma Beauty Concealer, and I use the shade in Brown Sugar Tea 2. Now, originally when I got this concealer, it wasn't my favorite concealer, but as I've been playing with it over and over again, I've been gravitating to using it more. It's a nice full coverage concealer. It lasts a pretty long time. It doesn't crease badly at all whatsoever, and it just looks like like a natural matte finish type skin-like finish, if that makes any sense. And it's a full coverage concealer that's more slightly on the matte side that I don't hate. And you guys know that I usually like something that's a little bit more luminous in the under eye area, but this is more so of a natural matte finish, but it doesn't look like that, and I don't mind it at all. Uoma Beauty is a newer brand. It is a black owned brand, so definitely get this if you haven't tried it. I definitely recommend it, especially if you have trouble with finding a concealer that doesn't crease on you. This works really well. Next, in the complexion category, I'm going to show you guys these two guys. So one is obviously a full coverage foundation, and the other one is more sheer coverage foundation. So this guy right here, this is the Pure Love Your Selfie 4-in-1 foundation. Now I've been using this foundation constantly throughout pretty much since I got it. I've been using it constantly. It's a nice full coverage foundation. This shade is just a tiny bit too dark for me, but I can definitely make it work. This is the foundation that has 100 shades. So again, you are bound to find a shade that's really close to you. I purchased mine online, but you can also get it in Ulta as well. I love that it has the doe foot applicator thing. I use this the most just because I don't have like a palette, you know, on me anymore, and I also don't like just putting product on the back of my hand anymore, so I don't really use the pump all that much, even though the pump lid is kind of like a little bit on the dirty side. But literally all I do is just unhook it, untwist it, put the foundation where I need to, and that be that. So I really love this foundation. Nice full coverage foundation, looks really good on the skin. And as far as this guy goes, this is the Ulta Beauty Youthful Glow Foundation Serum Drops. Now this guy blew me away. I actually did a sheer search video on this. I'll leave that linked up and through here, but this is an amazing foundation if you want a nice natural coverage, not too heavy, but still gonna give you that nice glow. And honestly, I have combination oily skin, and it lasted on my skin a very long time. I mean, like, I didn't set my makeup with powder or anything like that. Like, it lasted a pretty long time, and my skin looked like really good, natural, healthy, youthful, glowy skin. So if you guys are interested in a more sheer coverage product, then I would definitely recommend this. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to the next set of products. So let's talk about mascara. So as far as mascara goes, you guys know that my ultimate favorite mascara is the Loreal Lash Paradise. I've purchased this many times, but as of late, I've been trying to be a little bit more conscious with my buying choices. And the reason why I say that is because I want to buy from brands that are more cruelty-free. I'm trying to, you know, be a little bit more conscious with my purchases and buy brands that are, you know, cruelty-free or vegan or both. So I have been using my Covergirl Exhibitionist mascara a lot more because, as you guys know, or if you don't know already, Covergirl is now a cruelty-free brand, which is definitely a good thing. I did a which is better video comparing both of these, I believe, and I believe in that video I said they were both pretty similar, but I would still go with the Lash Paradise. But honestly, like, they're not that different from each other, and since CoverGirl Exhibitionist Mascara has the cruelty-free tag behind it, and the L'Oreal does not. I'm definitely going to be using this a lot more. I actually already have a backup ready to go in black because I didn't have a black. All I had was the black and brown. So it really does what I need it to do. It coats my lashes, makes them darker, separates them really, really well. It's not super clumpy or anything like that. Again, very similar to the Lash Paradise, except of course it is cruelty free. Alright, so as far as brows go, so what I've been doing, I actually tried to go back to using my eyebrow pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills, but when I went back to the pomade after using this product, like I don't know, I guess my pomade days are coming to an end because I was a pomade person for like just the longest time. I wasn't really a big like pencil person. So what I've been using for a very long time, you guys know I've had this on my channel many times, is the Benefit Precisely My Brow. This brow pencil just, I don't know, it just does something for me where it just makes my brows look super filled in, but natural at the same time. I can get nice hair stroke, and it comes with a spoolie, which is definitely something that I look forward to in my brow products. And what I like to put on top of it is this guy right here. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel in Ebony, and I just kind of like to use this to just kind of add a little bit more of a darker tint to my lashes and kind of like give it a little bit more definition and keep them in place as well. So the combination of these two is definitely a good thing. If you haven't tried it already, I do recommend both of these products. Alright guys, so that is it. Are any of these items your favorite items? Tell me down below. Do you guys have any recommendations or anything that's better than the products that I'm using at the moment? Leave your comments down below. I love trying new makeup products. Guys, don't forget, if you have any specific videos that you guys would like to see on my channel, definitely leave it in the comments down below. And I do have a community tab now, so you can definitely leave it there on my channel page. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys later in my next video.